So here we go. Hi folks, I am back online. Very happy to be back at and streaming. Today I'm alone. I'm not joined with guests like last Monday. We started back on with a big bang with Kent. So it was a great stream. So and now today we are just doing some different stuff. So a couple of bits while we're getting all of you to join up. So I am keep setting things up for my stream. So I'm a little bit late today. So if you can join, if you can imagine, I usually have my start window, start stuff before, and we didn't. So I don't know while you're joining. Hey folks, welcome and hello. So welcome back. Very happy to have you all here. So I need one window here. I need more windows. So we also need music, as you know, we will need music. So happy days. And because you love music. So here we go. And we are keeping things up. So what do we want to do today? Have you got anything, any good question, any whatever? You can decide what you want to do, what we need to do. I have some ideas, but you might have some questions about Kent, about the stream I did with Kent. So if you have some leftover questions about it, I will be very happy to answer those. Okay, so let's see how that it looks. Sorry. Let's do that because I think the camera was a little bit not in focus. So here we go. Oh, yay! So, yay! Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you very much. Okay, so thank you very much. So what are we doing today? We can do a bunch of stuff, which I will be very, very happy to show you. If you have any questions, just let me know. So in the meanwhile, let me keep studio mode. Okay, I need to finish setting things up, and I need this. I need a title, and sorry, I got caught a little bit late, and I wanted to start on time anyway, and I didn't do my usual setup, nice setup that I do before we start. And I need my terminal window. This is this one, okay, and then the Chrome window, which is this one. Okay, so everything should be set up correctly. Hey, welcome people. So, and I need to do a tweet, because I am at Twitch. Copy this. Okay, so people can actually know I'm live streaming again. Okay, here we go. Done. Hello. So, okay, what are we doing? What are we going to do today? We're going to do a few nice things. Let's jump through them. Let's recap. Let's recap some stuff, and we are going back doing the Unscalable queue system that we were doing last time. Let's recap a little bit what that is about, because I don't know if we recall exactly what that was. Oh, we also need to start the music. So let's jump into the music first. And Twitch. What was the name of this? The soundtrack by Twitch. Yay! Here we go. So, and we want. And I need to do a change in my computer to get that done, which is so much interesting. So we need the VB cable. This is the output. And I need, let's do the rock one. And we're going to do the rock. Love the rock one. Okay. And that's cool. And you're not hearing it right now. But if I switch to my Stream Deck, here we go. Program, you should be I need to add some music. Oh, here it is. Here it goes. We have added the music. Hello, hi folks. Okay, we are set up for starting. So what is what are we going to do? What are we doing today? I need this to be increased. Sorry, the cap chat. Or not, maybe. It's fine. We like it small, we like it higher, whatever. Let's keep it small. So, strip deck. Okay. I might just want to move these. Oh, sorry. No. Okay, this one down. Here we go. Okay. So, the bits that we have is the Unscalable queue system. So this is what we are building. We want to have a save item that has do a QID, and it tells us and it calls us back. So it calls back this URL when the time has passed, if it has a timeout. Okay, and that's it. And this needs to have a time though. When, yes. So basically you can tell, it's basically works like the add command in Unix. I don't know if you're familiar with the add command in Unix. We can chat a little bit on that if you wonder. So here we go. Sorry, I need to center myself a little bit more. Here we go. So yeah, this is what we are building, and we have the it's this repo, the Unscalable queue system. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, and this is where what we are building off. Hello. And this is it. Okay, so this does not seem to have a CI configured, but it has tests. So this seems a good point to start. First of all, let's take, just go cd unscalable. Whoop. Okay, like this. Sorry, I can't center myself apparently. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So let's go Unscalable queue system, and we need to switch to the terminal. Here we go. Oh, you're not seeing, just a second. Let me remove this. Okay. And why you're not seeing the terminal? Here we go. Now you're seeing the terminal. If I'm flipping, if I'm doing Windows. Oh, it's now working as expected. Okay. Okay. Yeah, my setup is failing me, and it's Chrome Win IDE Stream Deck. This is to remove. So if I do this, it's switching. No, it's not switching. And oh, I need to invert this one. Okay, sorry about this. I updated my configuration of OBS, and then things went south. So this is show, and this is hide. Okay. Oh, it's not working as I would expect. Anyway. Sorry about this. Okay, so I can actually show you what I'm trying to do, but anyway, I need to fix this though. And this is terminal win. I think I need to quit the Stream Deck and start it again, because it's not working as I would expect it to be. Sorry about it. I touched it and then it didn't. Yeah, source. Okay, so terminal window, show. Yeah, this is terminal window. Then this is hide and it's Windows. So, and then, yeah, so I can switch between the two windows correctly. Otherwise, you will keep telling me that okay. So if I do this, and if I do this, yeah, it's working. Okay, perfect. I configured it correctly. Okay, so I'm keep zooming in so you can see a little bit better, probably a little bit more. Here we go. Okay. So CD Unscalable queue system, here we are. Git checkout main, git pull, git st. Yay, thank you. This is, the music is from the Twitch soundtrack. It's pretty cool. And the music is not being recorded, so if you're watching this and you're wondering what the music is, there's no music in the recording because of copyrights. So now here we are creating a README, and this is a scalable queue system. And let's see how I license this because I don't remember. So what is the license of this component? What is the license? It's Apache license. Okay, so this is the license. And Apache license. You know that when you create an open source component, you need to put the license in it, right? So if you have an Apache license, you also need to add another file. So it's called the notice, and you need this too. So here we go. We also added the notice. Okay, so this is, let's write the README. So this is a tiny queue system that will call your service back after a given time. Okay, and then let's take the image. Let's go back to Chrome. And in here, I can take this and export image. And I want no background, or maybe I want the background. What do you think, background or no background? Well, let's do no background. And let's do background. And let's do a PNG. And then I can save this in this project, which is the Unscalable queue system. And it's in there. Okay, so now I can, let's go back to the terminal. And then I have, yeah, architecture. Architecture, okay. And so we have created this, and then we need to architecture.png. If this is the syntax for pictures, it's too loud. The music is too loud over the voice. I can lower it. Don't worry, folks. I can totally lower it. Thank you. It was helpful. Too low? Anyway. So we have this. We have created this up, and then we can do st git add git commit some readme git push. And here we go. Okay, let's see if the README has been populated. And it has our image. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Yay. So we have done that. Okay. And then we can and then it's time to code some features, I would say. So what version of this is about? We are using of platform, yeah, the latest one. Okay, I have a platformatic release to do, to be honest, but I'm going to postpone it to tomorrow. So Vim, what are we doing here? Oh yeah, this is so let's see if this, so we have the tests, and this was actually working. Okay, so we have the happy path, what this was doing, we create a server, then it's a target service that we can call, and we are calling within the save queue. Well, we are creating a queue, and then we are saving an item in a given queue to be called back. Okay, and cool, and that's it. Okay. So one of the features here that would be very interesting is, let's see, this is just, is it waiting for some time or not? Called, yeah, we're not testing the delay or anything. This is just a single call. And now, okay, cool. So what are we building? Maybe. Okay, let's see. I'm working on Platformatic. I am building a new a component on Platformatic, something that I need. It's a little queue system that it allows us to call an endpoint. So let's actually look. Let's do something like that. Let's do. Let's test this out. Okay, so let's do npx Platformatic. And let's do db migrate. Hello. Oh, yeah. Turn on migrate, apply. Okay. And then, oh, migration apply. I never remember even my command for my own thing. Okay. So we are running our migrations. Okay. Platformatic. Well, I can do npx plt db start. And this will start our Platformatic. Cool. Okay. And then we need a tiny little server that I want to call. So let's call it target. So let's do move vim target.mjs. I love MJS. So import Fastify from Fastify. I don't use commas, so that we want our app. Okay. And then, oh, but we want the logger. So logger transport, and this is Pinot Pretty. Okay, and then I need app post, and I want, okay, and then I just want to log the body. So request log info body, request body. Okay, and then I return status. Okay, this is actually not needed, so okay, seems cool. Twitch tag JavaScript is misspelled. Really? I did that kind of mistake? Oh my goodness. Really? I did that. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Where is it? Let's see. Is it in the tags? Where is this? Yeah, Twitch tag. Okay, modifying information. Yay, it's yeah, it is. It is JavaScript. Yes, JavaScript. Okay, I fixed the tag. Thank you. Yay. I am cryptic. I'm very cryptic. I know you like me being cryptic. So anyway, this is a little bit of a tiny server. So let's do an await, app, listen, port 3000. Okay. So here, let's see, npm I Pinot Pretty save dev. Okay. node target. Okay. So, oh, what did I do wrong? And oh, target. Yeah, target. Oh, here we go. Okay, it has started. So the server is started, and we have Fastify, and we have Platformatic running. Okay, we have both things running, so we can go and open our Platformatic DB instance, and here we go. So we go into graphical. Okay, so I need to zoom in because otherwise you're probably going to see a thing. So first of all, we're going to say create our queue. Okay, and we have our queue, and then we want to save an item to be called that right now, and set that is null. Oh, look what happened. It actually had look, it's nice. It has received the stuff and it expects a JSON. So it failed badly. Cool. Seems about it's kind of working or kind of not, but at least it did the call. So we're missing a few features though. So I think that's it's STFG. Yeah, I think that's what we are going to do to add right now. So okay, let's list them up first to do. Okay, so I don't know if I usually tend. At the beginning of the project, I do to-do lists on the README on all of them. Even when I started Platformatic, it started with a to-do list like that because it's it's very low key and it allows me to see exactly every single time I open the project when things work or not. So anyway, to do the first one is it's support content types. Support multiple content types. Okay, this is then we want delay add tests for future calls, for callbacks in the future. Then I need to support some form of authorization. I don't want just everybody to do my stuff, so I'm just some form of authorization. It's needed. And then I need maybe, I don't know. At this point in time, these are 3 good things that we can be doing. And we'll be doing a little bit today and then a little bit in the next few days. Hi, somebody has a question. I want a couple of questions that arrived on the stream. We have, I saw your post about JSD in Verona. Are you going to stay there also for the next day or just for the workshop? Yes, this is a good question, Lonely Column. I'm going to stay there for the day after, ideally. My plan is to leave on the evening of the 13th of April and go to Berlin and speak at Node Congress the day after. I'm still not even announced, so if I'm announced there, otherwise just stay in Verona for the day after, but it's actually possible that I'm going to go to Node Congress in Berlin on the 14th. And second question is, what are you doing? So what am I doing today? I'm building some stuff with Platformatic. If you don't know what Platformatic is, I'm going to paste it in the chat here. So what is Platformatic? You can go on, and if you go here, and this is our website. We've just launched our cloud, and this is the demo for the cloud. Anyway, there is also an open source project about it. So you can go to the docs. This is the open source project, and you can test it out and do a lot of things with it. And yeah, this is more or less the the gist about Platformatic. So we're going to use Platformatic to build this little bit of a queue system that I was telling you about. So I'm going to reply. We are using in the chat and then pin the message so that I can so then you can copy this, and we go. And I am going to put this as pinned, and in 60 minutes. Yep. Okay. Hello. Hi. Welcome. Oh, you want to use... Okay, this Emanuele Gurini is asking a very nice, interesting question, which is, I'm wondering if it would be possible to use the texture visible on the wall behind you as an image for the cover of your channel. This is actually very cool. I haven't thought about that idea. I need to take a couple of pictures to it, to be honest, and see if it's possible, but it might be totally possible. So this will be actually pretty cool to do. Thanks for the idea. It's might be a good improvement on the branding of my channel. So let's see. Cool. Let's go back to the code. So, and it's stuff that I want to do quite a lot. Okay, so we have the tests. Support multiple content types. So we have a test, and here it's we are passing it a JSON, a string, and we expect that string to be a JSON. Imagine. Well, we just don't do anything, and in the plugin itself. We are extending it a content type application JSON. Yep. So this needs to come in here too. So save item, and we will need to specify headers, I think. How are we going to do that? Well, I would add... We need to specify multiple headers here. Hi, Trinity85. Welcome. So it is the point. The field. So it is the problem that I'm trying to fix now is support multiple content types. And the problem right now, I'm assuming everything is a JSON, but this is, well, or I can just enforce it. This might actually be better. Or not. So let's see how my schema looks like. Okay. Body is a text. Okay. So I really want it to be a JSON, really. Like, should I support anything else apart from JSON? I don't think so. I don't want to be honest. So let's not complicate my life at all. Oh, headers text. We have also a headers text. Okay, then I can use headers text. So we can pass in headers. So here I can pass headers. and then say content type application JSON. Okay. Okay, cool. I've done that. However, now it's not going to work as I would expect it to. Well, so, sorry, this is just, sorry, this is QED body string body. What message am I sending here? Hello, folks. Yeah, this is JSON. Okay, this is it's application JSON. Okay, and then we want to send text plain too. So let's repeat this. Okay, text plain. Text plain content type. Okay. Here we go. Text plain. Okay, and then here, instead of sending a JSON, I'm just sending hello, folks. Okay. And here, its body is just hello, folks. Okay. Node test. It's not working. Well, it's stuck. And well, it's never called, so this is essentially correct. Let's log some stuff. So this is because it's not called because where is build server get config? Yeah, so we want this logger to be true. Okay. No, it's not printing anything. Oh, this is a usual recurring question, so I should probably talk a little bit about this. Vim versus other editors, what to choose. I have used Vim for most of my career. Like, I started using Vim like more than 20 years ago. So, well, I started using VI more than 20 years ago. And, you know, I tried using Emacs. I couldn't make it use Emacs. So I ended up using VI. I was using Vim, using VI first, Vim, now NeoVim. It's just not Vim. It's called Vim, but it's not Vim. This is just it's NeoVim. I've used Viv alias, by the way. So it's so hello, folks. Okay. So it's not cold. Why it's not cold? And it's not logging an error. Very weird. This is called calling. Yeah, it's cold. Oh yeah, it's here. It's here. It is. This is the crap. Okay, cool. Why it's not printing anything? Okay, so let's do that. Oh, app log is not a function. App log is not a function. App log is not a function. Interesting. and callback URL, callback, okay, and yeah, request. Okay, yeah. So if this is else, this is because this is not this is here, okay, and callback, okay, okay, and here callback successful. Okay, so here it's app log warn item, and then I want the status code, res status code. Okay, callback unsuccessful. Unsuccessful. Okay, and here we go. Okay, and we have this thing. Okay, so now if I log it, it should be callback unsuccessful. Okay, good. We are printing out the right thing. Okay, so where it's up, and it's okay. So we are up here. Callback unsuccessful. So we need to. Oh wait. Also, I might also want the res dot body. I don't remember what it is, but oh, this is await. We need to we probably need to get the body, const body, and it's, well, let's do let body, and if res headers content type, okay, else if yeah, thank you, and then I want else, and this is not res JSON, by the way, but it's res body. This comes from a fetch, from somebody that filled in with fetch, and this is then it's no, I just want to do res body dot resume, so that we body on error, we're not interested. Okay, and then let's run this. Oh, okay, and then it says callback unsuccessful. Okay, item blah blah, and says callback status code 400. Okay, and this is like that. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, unexpected JSON in position 0. Cool. So now here we have the headers, if everything was working correctly. Headers. And we have the headers. Where are we got the headers? Yeah, content type text plain. Okay. So we probably need to parse them. Mm. Mm. Let me check one thing in Google. So SQLite JSON. Yeah, okay, we are using SQLite as a database here. So and yeah, store JSON as ordinary text. To store values. Yeah. So if it seems that we can actually store a column and call it JSON, maybe let me do a try. Okay, so here we are going just to edit this migration very quickly. Okay, you don't typically do those kind of editing, and then I'm just going to do let's see if this still works. Nothing's working, to be honest. Let's do npx plt db migration. Well, I can just do this and then apply, and then start. Okay, and so we are in the terminal. We've done the start, and then here I can just refresh and see what this look like. So we save the queue. Okay, then let's see what our save item look like. It's a JSON. Amazing. Ciao, Amado Duara. How do you pronounce your nick? I don't know. If you can tell me, I will pronounce your nick correctly. I don't know. Amazing. So, okay. Cool. So we're storing it as JSON now. Seems pretty cool. Okay. So seems pretty indeed cool. So if we do that, then these headers needs to be an object. Okay, and then I'm doing something like this, and here I am doing the same. Okay, let's see if this node test is passing. Oh, nope. Cannot read properties null. Test 140. Okay, yeah, so console log body. Let's see what this looks like. Here we go. Found string content type. Huh. I don't know GraphQL, apparently. Do you know GraphQL well? A bit. Oh, yeah. So let's try that. Why it's complaining now? X invalid number. Yay. So this is a JSON object. Okay, so Oh yeah, sorry, it's on the other screen. Yeah, totally. So the error here is oh sorry. So the error here is here. It's the error is syntax error, invalid number, expected digit, but got T. Mainly because it's we are trying to pass a JSON here, a JSON object, and I probably don't know how that works. So let's go and cd platformatic, and let's see how I implemented the cd packages. What's the name? SQL GraphQL. Okay, how I implemented support for JSON here. Data types. Oh. Entity type. Yeah, there is. We send JavaScript object as JSON. Okay, it's GraphQL type. Should work fine. Yay. So let's search test cd test grab JSON, and it's in Vim simple. Hey Tilo 241. I'm so happy to see you here too. Yeah, I am not testing this on SQLite though. Why am not testing this on SQLite? So the thing that I'm using, it's called it's GraphQL JSON object. GraphQL type JSON. So let's go back into Chrome and GraphQL type JSON. Let's see how that look like. JSON scalar type. So how I am. It's not an example. Issue. Okay, that's one parameter. Oh, I might just send a JSON. I might just send a JSON then. Okay, let's try that. So here, I can just do that. Okay. Invalid number, expected digit, but got T. Where the heck I have invalid number? Okay, let's do something here. Test. Okay, only true. Okay. Okay. GraphQL validation error. No, it's not working. Mm-hmm. I'm feeling very dumb. Let's do something slightly different here. No, so in stew, let's do npx pltdb start. Let's try to act this out. So I am doing save on the queue. Okay, and then I want to specify headers and text plain. Okay, this worked. So if I'm looking at this, it's complaining. Okay, so if this is this works, why this doesn't? What did I do wrong? Hundred and 127. I feel so dumb here right now. I feel so dumb. Line 3, 127. Hundred and 127. Where is damn 127? It's this dash. How come this is invalid here? Let's do, sorry. Let me do something. Again, I'm feeling very stupid. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry folks. 123. Expected digit but got T. 123. So the problem here is this. It's complaining that in the query but gets T. Why this is happening? Ha! I think I know what's happening. It's escaping things badly. I think it's escaping things badly. I hate escaping. If there is something that I hate more than other things, it's damn escaping. Don't you mess up escaping all the time, folks? Like here, you need to do double slashes. Literally double fucking slashes. Oops, sorry. I should not have said that word. I have a kid at home, so she didn't get up my swearing. I do swear a lot when I'm coding, to be honest, folks. I'm Italian, so... Okay, now it's failing. Okay. Because I made another mistake. And... Oh, I didn't need to do... Oh, that's correct. Yeah. I have no idea why this is still failing. Come on. Align on 155. Okay. Position 155. So this is escaped. Okay, let's see what the query look like. At least look right though. Don't you find it correct? So okay. Found. But at 155 here, what do we have? 155. Yeah, but wait a second. This is actually this one. Yeah, I need to close this. You type expecting JSON object. Okay. Okay. I've passed a string, but it's expecting a JSON object. Okay. But in Chrome, it did work. Hmm. Oh, wait a second. In body of type string. Wait. Oh, wait. This is some very silly mistake, I think. Why this is complaining? It's complaining about imposition. Sorry, if I remove this. I am getting nuts. Why this is not working? Body, adders. Okay, I copy this up and then I'm going into Chrome. Variables. See if I run this, fail to fetch. It's really hard. We all struggle with very stupid things, especially when doing live coding. Variable body of type scheme using position expecting. Let me copy this error. Let's go back in Chrome and let's try. No. Nope, doesn't work. So, what do you think, folks? Will I overcome this or will just give up? Because I am very close to giving up. No, I will never give up. Never give up. It's at columns 16 and 95. 16 and 95. 16. Oh, no. It's not. This is 16. Line 2. Oh, this is 95. Okay, this is. $95. Could change screen. Yeah, sorry about this. Keep. Okay, it's going into body and callback URL. If I move this to the bottom, to the end. What does it happen? 150. Okay. I changed the body and not the headers. Literally. this was the mistake I made. It was right all along. Okay, it's now passing. Like, how do you waste 10 minutes in something that makes no sense whatsoever? Clap to me, really clap. Okay, now this is passing. Okay, so I just need to, yeah, and then migration supply. Okay. Okay, this is passing, so let's remove only. And we are removing only. Nothing here. Okay, this is failing. Why this is failing? Oh, this is failing because we are not passing headers. Okay, so here we need the headers. Headers, where are headers? Content type here at the top. Down. GraphQL validation. Oh yeah, I need to fix the GraphQL validation error too. Okay. What is my vimrc? I use a thing called Space Vim, so I don't have a vimrc. I have toml configuration. So, but I use Space Vim because I'm very lazy and I stopped spending time to configure Vim properly. So I use one of those pre-cooked thing, for better or for worse. I can show you my configuration for my Space Vim config. That I can show you. Okay, and then I need another one of. Sorry. I need this and I need that. And I need this. Okay. Callback unsuccessful. Okay. Content type text plain. So why is it trying to parse it as JSON? Oh, because I am not doing it. Okay, so here we are. Headers must be an object or an array. So here we have headers. Okay. Headers is not defined. Headers must be an object or an array. So let's do a let here. Well, let's do a const and then headers. Here it's items headers. Yeah, okay. And here, if you're not specifying anything, we are giving you a content type of application JSON. Here we go. Okay, expecting token. Here we go. Callback unsuccessful. How callback can be successful? It does not have not items headers. Item headers. Headers must be an object or an array. Item headers. Okay. And here we do headers. Header might be an object on an array. How? 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 How is this even possible? I'm starting to be a little bit tired, so we'll see how long I can keep going. Headers must be okay at the beginning of the epi path. It's so this is not logging anything, but it's logging actually. Invalid argument error. Headers must be an object or an array. And here we show that headers is. Makes no sense. Okay. I guess it makes sense. Okay. It's passing through here. Ha! Headers must be an object or an array. What the heck I am doing wrong? Do you have a clue, folks? New request. Okay, let's go debug this. So a technique that I typically use to debug those issues where they seems impossible, that makes no sense. I copy the file and I go at line 164 of this file. 164 of this file. And I am printing out console log headers. And then and driver headers, how come it's an object? Must be an object or an array. This is not an object. Sorry. So string. Oh, wait. Yeah, I know. Unfortunately. So, yeah. Item headers. Item headers. Okay. It's a freaking string. Okay, it passed. Yeah, it's a string because it comes from a database from SQLite, but it's not. It's not a string. It's a JSON. I want it as a JSON object. Okay, so let me just put a headers. We must headers because SQLite store JSON as strings. Okay. Okay, so now test. And we can, here we go. And logger false. Okay. Okay, it's passing. It's not 100% code coverage, but it's something, okay? We have a few lines that are not covered, which is, but good stuff. Okay. Teach camera B, dash B. Oh. Basic support for headers. Okay. Okay. This is going to deploy my branch on the cloud if I didn't broke anything. I might have. Let's see. Hi, Palasai. It's deploying. Yay. Slow desert and common snake. The common snake. Maybe it's deploying, maybe it's not. I haven't deployed anything to the Plasmatic Cloud in the last few days. So, yay, it's working. So, we should have this. And this is our deployed app. Seems about it. Yeah, we have our stuff. Cool. Queues. Yeah, items. Seems about right. Cool. And let's go back in the test. Get status. Okay. That's our target. Okay. Okay. And let's see the package JSON. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Pretty nice. Okay. I think I am after this. I think I'm going to. Oh, I need to do one more thing on the code. Okay. So we have added support for content types, and this was on our to-do lists. Oh yeah, we need to fill in a little bit more, and repeat the test, the call. Oh, it's not that. It's called implement at least, at most. No, it's at least once semantics. Retry if target fails. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very happy. Going to have fun. This project, I'm loving this project. I don't know if you are, but this is going to be pretty cool. You could even deploy it yourself if you need a little bit of a system, tiny system to configure cron jobs. Oh yeah, I need to add this cron job capability. Repeat. Cool. Okay. And okay, so this is fix up. Okay. And here we go. We can land this. Squash and merge. Okay. I think that's all for today, and we can definitely check us in next week. I don't know what I will be doing next week, but maybe something more of this, but possibly somebody else will join my stream. I'm not streaming next Thursday. I have some personal stuff to do, so we'll probably stream one of the other days, either Friday or Wednesday. So if you want to tune in, you can definitely tune in. So yeah, that's it. And thank you for coming and watching my little audience. And see you next week. And bye bye. Oh, should we do a little bit of a raid maybe? Bye. Let's do a raid. I think there is some. We can raid somebody else. And I'm going to send you to Acorn 101, and she's amazing. So you can, and she need the followers. So you could, we can all go there if you want to go there, of course. Yay! Are you ready? Let's go. Here we go. Yay. Bye bye.